What did he hit? Hit a piling?
I've never seen that. He hit the bumper.
Hello, this is Eric with Black Swan Odysseys. Welcome back to the channel. This ride is part of a week-long ride we took in August of 2021 up onto the San Juan Islands. And this video is the ride on Orcas Island. We're riding up to Mount Constitution. Halfway point on the island puts you into the community of East Sound. This is the largest community on the island and caters to the land traffic. There's no marinas or docks for boats. East Sound has a lot of coffee shops and restaurants and a bunch of knickknacks shops. So it's a good halfway point stopping for breaks. There's also a lot of lodging in this area. And lodging can be anywhere from tent camping all the way up to staying at a 5-star resort. Once you get into Moran State proper, you'll see it's a fairly large camping state park. Very popular. It fills up fast, so I recommend if you want to camp here to make reservations prior to the beginning of the season. This is a lake that's within the state park grounds. You can see the road surface is really well maintained all along here, and views are spectacular. This is the entrance point to Mount Constitution Road, which takes you up to the top of the mountain. It's a 4.7 mile one-way in and out road. It's a very well maintained road. I always found the surface to be good to excellent. Very twisty and windy going up. But it's just some nice relaxing turns riding up to the top. There is a lot of traffic on this road. Campers, cars, bicyclists, and pedestrians. And a word of caution for the bicyclist portion, the bicyclists tend to be all over the road as they're huffing and puffing up the road to the top. A little bit about the Ferry Landing. So we began this ride from Anacortes Ferry Terminal on the mainland. You have to take a ferry to get over to the island, obviously. There's no bridges or anything that gets you there. But the ferry ride is very relaxing. For motorcycles, it's a one-way, it's a round-trip ticket for $21 and a senior rate of $13. So it's roughly half the cost of taking a car across. The ferry ride takes about an hour and 19 minutes, and it kind of snakes in between the islands. You pass Lopez Island, and just prior to San Juan Island, you arrive at Orcas. Check the schedules. We found the hard way that the ferry schedule wasn't accurate. This is due to COVID and lack of personnel to run the boats, so there wasn't many ferries running this time. But again, first on, first off. That's how the state ferry system works. It's great for motorcyclists. Mount Constitution is the highest peak in the San Juan Islands, summiting at 2,407 feet. And like I said, Mount Constitution Road is a one-way road in and out, 4.7 miles in length from the gated area all the way up top to the picnic area. And like I said, I found it very well maintained. There's lots of curves and switchbacks, but the road surface is very well and provides a lot of confidence in it. At the summit, there's a picnic area, a tower, there's a gift shop, and a small parking area. All of this is free. There's no fees needed for parking and or walking up to the tower. The tower was built in 1935 by the Civilian Conservation Corps, and all the materials to build the tower, stone and wood, were sourced from the grounds in the area. I highly recommend this ride. Matter of fact, exploring all the islands on motorcycles is just a true dream. It's easy to get on and off the ferry. The ferries themselves are relaxing and kind of fun to see the scenery. And there's lots of neat places just to visit. This particular island, there's a lot of twisty roads on the northeast corner of the island. That's the mountainous area. There's marinas and such on the southwest side of the island. Unfortunately, we didn't get a chance to explore the whole island because our time was cut short by the short ferry schedules. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And while you're there, click the subscribe button. Thank you for watching this video, and we'll see you on the next ride.